Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect lot na overlooking, presko, tahimik at malapit sa Pililya Windmill? Dito lang yan sa Sitio Labong, Barangay Halayhayin, Pililya, Rizal. May solid track record ang developer dito sa Rizal kaya trusted ng maraming buyers. Upon turnover, kumpleto na, may cemented roads, clubhouse, basketball court, playground, 24/7 security at ready na rin ang electricity and water line mo. Available lot cuts start at 60 square meter up to 855 square meter. Swak na swak para sa dream home o future investment mo. Meron ding lots along Barangay Road at Main Road. Perfect para sa iyo kung plano mong magnegosyo. At ang good news, for only 5,000 na reservation fee ay pwede ka nang magsimula ng lot investment mo. For as low as 5,500 per square meter, zero interest pa at pwedeng bayaran in 5 to 10 years. Kaya kung ready ka nang mag-invest sa overlooking at prestong lugar na may solid future, tara na't magpa-schedule ng free site viewing at baka ito na ang property na para sa'yo.